FCA's official assistance network is at your disposal for whatever spare parts you may need. If, for instance, you've lost the radio code or you need a duplicate of the ignition key, contact a dealership or an authorised workshop with your ID and your vehicle registration immediately. The spare part you need will arrive as soon as possible. Original spare parts are designed, produced and selected by the same people who designed and manufactured your car. This ensures convenience and efficiency. Original spare parts are the result of constant commitment to researching and developing innovative technologies. By using a dealership or an authorised workshop, you can be sure original parts will be used by expert, qualified, specialised technicians. Register on the My Jeep website. You'll be able to book an appointment with your preferred workshop directly online.